Zenesi tene mazamu dunia tene mazamu tenkozesa bintu bichamu.
Hello friends, here we will discuss about the query processing. Okay, so this is our first video on the query processing. Now the basic task of query processing is extracting data from the database. Okay, so that is what a query is there from the database. Okay, from the database extracting the output. That is the main task of query processing. The main task of query processing. So we have to give query and we can get the output. Now the activities are what? Query translation from high level to low level. That is the first task. Next, query optimization. So first one is from high level to low level. That means what? It is works like compiler or translator. Next, query optimization means what? Identify the best query. And third is what? Actual evaluation of the queries, means execute that particular query. Okay, so conversion from high level to low level, identify the best query and actual evaluation of that particular query. Now query processing steps. The query processing steps are, first step is what? Parsing and translation, optimization and evaluation. So definitely this is what? Parsing and translation for converting high level to low level, optimization for the query optimization, identify the best one, and evaluation means what? Execute the query. Now we can see the query processing steps. Now here we can see this is a query. Okay, now the next is a parsing and translator. It is like a compiler. The task is not like the compiler. Here the task is what? Syntax checking, verify relation name, table name, database name, and etc. Okay, so this is what? Just like a syntax checking. So the first step is what? Parsing and translation. Next is what? It converts into the relational algebra expression. Okay, so one query is there, it converts high level to low level. That is what? Relational algebra expression. And with the help of how to evaluate it, we can get the evaluation primitive. Are you getting this? Next, after that, optimizer means what? Best, select the best one, and that is based on the statistics about the data. Using statistics about the data to construct optimizer query evaluation plan. That means what? Say a query is there. Say high level query is there. First of all, check that particular syntax and semantics. Here, verify the relationship. Okay, now convert this into low level query language. Now here, so many query languages with low level may be possible. Okay, so many possibilities are there, and identify different relational algebra. Say relational algebra 1, 2, 3, 4 for the same query. Now with the help of this evaluation, how to evaluate it, we can get the evaluation primitive. So evaluation primitive 1, evaluation primitive 2, evaluation primitive 3, evaluation primitive 4. But here the optimizer identify the best one. Say this is the best one, and it is select based on the statistics about the data. Okay, so with the help of statistics about the data, optimizer identify the best evaluation plan, and then we can get the identify the execution plan and sequence of primitive operation. Means what? We identify the best one, then we have to break this piecewise. Okay, and identify the steps, the basic steps, and then execute the plan. And it is possible with the help of evaluation engine. Now here evaluation engine works with the data and fetch the data to give the output. Are you getting this one? So this portion is what? Parsing and translation. This particular portion you can say parsing and translation. This the whole part. Okay, so this particular part is what? Parsing. Okay, so already you know the three basic steps are there. Parsing and translation. This is what our parsing and translation. Next is optimization. This portion is what? Optimization. This particular portion, including this one. Okay. Next is what? Evaluation. That means what? This particular part is the evaluation part. Are you getting this one? This particular part is the evaluation part, and finally you can get the output. So we can give one simple concrete example. Suppose one high level instruction is there, say select marks from student where marks greater than 90. So we can solve it. Now we can, first of all, it checks each and every whether spellings are correct or not, whether the particular attribute is present or not, whether student table is present there or not, whether this syntax is there or not, whether semicolon is there or not. That is possible using this one, parsing and translation. And we can get the set of relational algebra expression for the given high level query. So that means what we can solve like this way. First we may apply like this way. Say first we may apply the projection from the table student, or first we may apply the selection. From the table student. So first we may apply the projection then selection, or we may apply selection first then projection. So we can get, this is what our high level language, this is what our low level language. Plus how to evaluate it, we put plus how to evaluate it, okay, and here plus how to evaluate it, and then passes to the optimizer. Now optimizer identify the best one. Which one is the best? Let optimizer identify this is the best. Let this is the best. Now identify the execution plan. Now for execution plan, it like that. So that means what, how to do it properly. So first of all, it needs the table student. From that student, fetch the data using the selection, which is greater than, marks should be greater than 590. Then apply the projection. So from where we have, it needs, so from where to fetch the data, from where need to fetch, okay, where the, here which type of indexing may be used, okay, and how to get this, all the steps are there, okay. Now this is, we can say, query evaluation plan, okay. So this particular portion is called query evaluation plan, and after that evaluate that particular engine. So evaluate that particular query and we can get the result. From that we can get the result. Are you getting this one? So high level language, convert this into low level language, okay, and optimizer identify the best one, then get the query evaluation plan and then execute that particular query. That is the basic steps. Okay, so what is query optimization? So it is the responsibility of the system to construct a query evaluation plan that minimizes the cost of the query evaluation. Okay, minimizes the cost of the query evaluation. This task is called query optimization. Okay, so query is there, and first of all evaluate the cost. It is very hard to compute, okay, and it is based on various parameters, that is memory space available, etc. Okay, now query is there. So query optimizer, the task of query optimizer, evaluate the cost of that particular query from the various factors. Okay, say memory space available, parameters, from where you have to fetch, from this which page to this page, which particular indexing we may use, and from that select the best one, select the best query, okay, and then execute it. And here in this particular part, fetch the data from the database and give the output. Okay, so query optimization is required because a simple user, he just gives the one high level language, high level query, okay, and it is the task of the system to convert this into low level best query, and after that it gives the result.
Dunia
Okay,
tene
and that's the end of
mazamu
this particular video.
tenkozesa
Thank you very
bintu
much.
bicha